Justice Yusuf Alilu, wey dey FCT High Court for Abuja, don grant bail to former Central Bank Governor Godwin Emiefele after dem bring am to court on top 8-count charge wey concern 759 duplexes for Abuja. Emiefele enter court on Monday and tok say e no dey guilty. As e tok im own, im lawyer, Matta, beg the court make dem give am bail. Even though the prosecuting lawyer, Rotimi Oyedepo, not to drag the matter, he still tell the court say make them use strong bail conditions because some parts of the affidavit get wahala. Justice Alilu come talk say bail na constitutional right and say until court prove person guilty, the person still dey innocent. He talk say since Emiefele don already get bail from other courts and not jump any of them, nothing stop am from granting am bail again. The judge say make Emiefele submit his travel papers and bring 2 sureties wey dey live for Abuja. The sureties must get land wey worth at least 2 billion naira for correct areas like Asokoro, Maitama, Wuse 2 or Life Camp. Because say Emiefele dey always come court on time, the judge give am 72 hours to meet the bail conditions. If he no fit meet up, na prison straight. The case don shift go July 11th when the court go start full trial. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Olufisoye Adesuyi, TMC News.